Today was a good day for the COVID response in that we have gotten some 50,000 doses of the AstraZeneca Serum Institute of India vaccines just arrived. It could signal for us the beginning of the end in terms of the high level of threat that the virus represents. And we will start, according to the vaccine plan, by focusing on our healthcare workers and our uniform JDF, JCF officers. And then from there, we move on to our vulnerables over 60.
Very good. Prime Minister Golding?
We're not seeing it. Can you read it? Slowly, so what's the left?
Thank you very much.
Excellent.
AstraZeneca 0.5 cc.
Yeah, you did it. Time. Just I know. Just a minute. Take a deep breath. Relax. Here. Good. All the inhaler sounds.
10th of March 2021, Dr. Byfield is here to take her first vaccination of the AstraZeneca. She's looking quite comfortably as public health nurse. They let her administer the vaccine, no twitching of the face, no tears in the eyes. She's quite comfortable.
Just a little stick is almost finished. There you go. Over and done. Finish. Take a deep breath. How was it on? How was it? I never seen it. I never seen it. It's a fear. It's a fear. Oh gosh. It's a fear. It's a fear. It's a fear. It's definitely the fear.
Alright. Raise your hand, raise your hand, raise your hand. So what if you had a girl first? What would you do if you had a
Move there, so you can't just mark it up from it.
vaccine? You know. Oh my God.
Yeah, piece of cloth.
Yeah, I'm ready. Ow.
Yeah, you got this. You
Ow.
got this.
Jesus.
Right.
Ow.
Oh, I'm not even touch your
Ow, my
I'm
dog.
wipe it here.
Ow. Ow.
Okay, I'm going in now.
Okay. Ow.
That was not bad.
Wait, it's done already? Yes, God. Thank you.
Ready? I'm okay. Okay. That was wonderful. That was excellent. Thank you.
I can't tell you what I said.
You are? We need this to be over.
Deep breaths and don't stop taking the breaths until you do deep breaths. And people coming in. Because that's the closest entity. Yeah. So if they get right. You clean those two things? The two chairs over there. Did you? Oh, the whiskey too. They're coming right here.
There's a lot more vaccines to come. We're working on that. We ask the public, however, to continue to observe the protocol.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!